how life works, your role in it, and the practices that will increase your ability to create more of the outcomes you want are the foundation keys for conscious leadership. The more conscious we can become as the leaders and change agents in our organizations, the more able we are to bring it through into our meeting conventions, decision-making protocols, and everyday processes of human relating. Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne. And today's epiphany came from realizing that the current narrative is collapsing in the face of global crisis. And when narratives collapse, revolutions happen. New shoots of hope arise and new stories are created. A new earth is emerging. It's in our hands to reimagine our new story based on love and life. Conscious leadership creates a nutritious soil from which our living organizations can truly thrive in the transformational times ahead. This is about Thrival, to attract and retain high-quality talent, to innovate, adapt and evolve in increasingly volatile times. By the end of this video, you'll learn 7 keys for creating impact in a volatile world. Happiness and fulfillment do not come from pleasure, but from meaning. The pursuit of a noble purpose. This is simply good business sense, especially amid a societal shift that seeks a deeper sense of meaning, purpose, engagement, and creativity in the workplace. Life is a movie. There are 4 key required components we need to see a movie. A source of white light that contains every frequency of color. A film strip that filters out all frequencies except for the one that represents the images desired. A focusing mechanism and a screen to reflect it back to us. A movie projection is a fairly accurate metaphor to explain how we create our physical world. The source field, the light, is the infinite energy of the universe. The film strip is you and me, the focusing mechanism is where we place our attention, and the projection screen is our 3D holographic physical world. 3 fields of energy. Through us, the source field of energy is divided into 3 key fields: activity, relationship, and context. The fields interrelate with each other, determining the outcomes and impact we create. Follow the wisdom of the heart. The rational mind, while important to creating our outcomes, can only go so far. Its information is limited to only what we know and ignores the realm of the imaginative and intuitive. The wisdom of the heart is a path to developing the skill of combining the rational to the intuitive. It allows us to accept life as it is and opens us up to a wealth of options. It also opens us up to compassion and connection with our deeper selves and that of others, enhancing our relationships. Live with an improv mindset. Life is complex and unpredictable. No matter how you plan, some event will turn up that is totally unforeseen. An improv mindset helps you take advantage of the surprise opportunities and challenges of life. It helps you to flow naturally with whatever shows up. The art of living life with an improv mindset is a skill required to live with innovation and flexibility. Storytelling and ritual. The ability to weave new patterns is key to carrying you and your organization in the direction you want to go. Storytelling is as old as mankind, and through the stories we tell, we create meaning of our world. Through the art of storytelling, we direct the flow of energy into the new pattern and secure it into place with the rituals we create. Integrating and balancing opposites. Life is increasingly more complex and also more ambiguous. There are no longer simple, clear choices, no clear-cut solutions, no black or white answers. Paradox and opposing points of view are the norm. Learning to let go from either or both and, allows us to integrate the best of opposites while minimizing the negative aspects of either. Rather than fighting against, we learn to include and integrate. Conscious leadership. Whether we are leading our own personal life or an organization of thousands, conscious leadership moves beyond planning, organizing, and controlling. We are leading consciously when we apply the other 6 keys to be of service to ourselves, others, and the world. We focus on the development of ourselves and the people we work with. We build communities to increase a sense of belonging. This puts us in alignment with life itself and allows us to experience the joy of creating extraordinary impact. If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.